Sam Ali, Head of Sustainable Compliance, Vintage Dream Apples Limited, Sripur, Gazipur, Bangladesh. Everybody know the number of women workers of RM sector is almost double in our country compared to the men worker. And I'd like to thank ETI Bangladesh who taking initiative to eliminate gender inequality and create a safeguard workplace for women workers. So in our factory, we are very happy and announce that this program, that means gender equality program and ILO Convention 190, this is very helpful to workplace for women worker as well as men worker. So we always appreciate ETI Bangladesh, and we also hope that in future any program like this program came in Bangladesh, we will with ETI all strength, and thanks to ETI.
Hi, I am Enamul from Pim Cables Limited. Thanks to ETA for giving me a chance to say something about the importance of the C119 in workplace. At present, a high number of the female workers are working in RMG sector and they are playing an important role for our country economic development. In the sense of the view, the importance of ILO C119 is nuisance to ensure job security for women workers in jobless. Successfully implementation of the decision what has been taken from the C119 help a lot of create such workplace for the both male and female workers safely and respectfully. We want to implement a safe workplace for the male and female worker where they can work comfortably with the full of respect.
Hello everybody, this is Obaidul. I am working with Consumer Detax Limited, is a part of CFT Bangladesh. I just say you guys for the role of sexual harassment committee. Related to violence and harassment in the workplace, law and regulation must be properly enforced and monitored. The committee need to make sure that everybody gets the right and effective remedy easily. Victims of violence and harassment need to be provided with safe and effective way to file, complain and resolve issues. The main objective of this ILO Convention 190 to create a work environment where everyone, men, women, feel safe and respected themselves.
I am Aisha from Sam Satwell Limited. My position is Senior Executive Welfare and Compliance. I would like to share something. First of all, we want to give a very big thanks to ETI to successfully complete our program in our facility. After completion, the program we are trying to compare our female workers as a leading position because our maximum workers are female also here. So if a female person leading to a group of female workers, then we think it will be better than a male leader to understand them and to achieve company's goal easily as well. Right now we have a given promotion for workers as supervisors and one line chief, where previously that number of female leaders were 0. We have formed an anti-sexual harassment committee through ETI and ILO Convention 119 gender-based violence and harassment, where we are getting another benefit. Now our workers are getting a platform to raise their complaint and committee has involved over there and given solution as well as counseling. So hope our factory will be 0 complaint regarding sexual harassment and our female workers will be working here very confidently. Thanks a lot.